Good morning, afternoon, or evening to aside from. Our team has 6 members, which is Henry, Jessica, Edianto, Jesslyn, and Wilson Tungli. First, we want to show the business process of the supermarket. The business process consists of 6 business processes. First, supply. The supermarket acquire products to sell. Second, storage. The supermarket stores its products in a warehouse. Third, display. The products get distributed to the 3 benches to be displayed. Fourth, sell. The customer buy the products on one of the branches of the supermarket.
Next is problem analysis. In this project, we want to solve 3 problems by answering these 3 questions. The first is which product line has the most sales. The second, how much money in the supermarket making in the last 3 months. And the third, did the supermarket make more money than the last month? Next is project A. In order to answer these questions, we will analyze per case data from the supermarket to design and create a dashboard that provides information regarding the financial situations of the supermarket.
The data we analyze and use to design the dashboard is the sales data for the supermarket. It is a result of a merge between the previous data SQL Server database and an Excel sheet that has customer data. It has 1,000 sales back between the 3 brands of the supermarket during 3 months. This is the data relationship model in the database. We merge the data using the invoice ID as a primary key. We use this data to create the dashboard page to answer the question in problem analysis.
This is the first page of the dashboard. This dashboard displays the overall financial state of the supermarket. We can also filter the information by month. Because the data only has 3 months worth of sales, the filter will only show 3 months. First of all, there is a chart that describes the count of sales by product line. This is used to inform us about which products have the most sales, and as we can see here, the product line that has the most sales are the fashion and accessories line, and the product line that has the least amount of sales are the health and beauty product line. The next page is a table that shows the most recent sales made by all branches of the supermarket. The columns show information about the person. And then the next chart shows us about how much gross income each product in each branch makes. The chart tells us that branch C has the most sales in the food and beverages product line. Next is the sports and travel line. The most sales in this line belongs to branch B. Next is electronic accessories. The most sales in this line belongs to branch C. Next is fashion accessories. The most sales in this line belongs to branch C. Next is the home and lifestyle. The most sales in this line belongs to branch A. And lastly is health and beauty. The most sales in this line belongs to branch B. And next is the chart that tells us about how customers pay for the purchase. The branch that has the most customers using e-wallet are branch A. The branch that has the most customers using cash are branch C. And the branch that has the most customers using credit cards are branch B. Then on the menu on the right, we can see how much the sales the supermarket makes in 3 months and how much income is generated. There are 2 charts that show the supermarket growth over time in a 3-month period. The first chart tells us about the sales growth in branch A, B, and C. The chart tells us that all branches experienced a decline in sales growth in February, then grew in March. The last chart shows us the income growth of all 3 branches. The chart tells us that all branches similarly experienced a decline in sales growth in February, then grew in March, with branch B experiencing the least amount of growth and decline in income. Then the next page on the dashboard can be accessed by pressing the button in the navigation menu. On branch A, the dashboard tells us about the financial state of branch A of the supermarket. The information displayed in the dashboard is as the same as the one in the overall page, but filtered to only show us information about sales that stored in branch A. Here we can see home and lifestyle is the most popular product in branch A, and we can see the latest sales on branch A. And the most popular payment type is e-wallet. The branch has made 340 sales and has made $5.6 thousand of gross income. Branch A has experienced growth in the 3rd month in sales and income. On branch B, dashboard tells us about the financial state of branch B in the supermarket. The information displayed in the dashboard is also the same as the one in the previous page, but filtered to only show us information about sales that occur in branch B. Here we can see that fashion accessories line is the most popular product line in branch B. And we can see the latest sales of branch B. And the most popular payment type is e-wallet. The branch has made 332 sales and also made $5.6 thousand of gross income. Branch B has experienced growth in the third month in sales and slight increase in income. And finally, on branch C, the dashboard tells us about the financial state of branch C of the supermarket. The information displayed in the dashboard is also as the same as the one in the previous page, but filtered to only show us information about sales that occurred in branch C. Here we can see that food and beverages are the most popular product line in branch C, and we can see the latest sales on branch C here. And the most popular payment type is cash. The branch has made 328 sales and has also made $5.27 thousand of gross income, the highest of all three branches. Branch C has experienced growth in the third month in sales and income.
So, in conclusion, the insight we got from the dashboard is as follows. The most popular product line is the fashion accessories product line. And second, the supermarket made 15.38K in 3 months. And supermarket made more money in March compared to February. And me as Susan, thanks to your all attention. Thank you.